Here's another third instar Cicindela pulchra, which I'm going to try to fish out. Now this time hopefully it'll take me a little bit of effort. That one must have been pretty near the top before. So I'm going to slowly slide the grass blade down the hole. And you kind of go till it stops. Okay, so I'm kind of hitting bottom. Now you pull it up and down and feel for resistance. And there's, you can feel him, he was tugged onto there. So here's once again the larva here. And so this one, obviously now, of course, if you want, you can put them back down in the burrow. And usually, once they go in there, there you go, disappears. So that's how you fish a tiger beetle larva. And again, that probably looked easier than it is in reality. Some with deeper burrows take a lot longer to fish. That one went pretty